Chainlink daily chart. We're working on a double bottom here. We don't have it yet, right? You can see these. Put it on the Leisen chart, right? We have back-to-back tests. So far, that's all we're doing. We're just retesting the lows. When will it confirm as a double bottom? I'm glad you asked. It's once this high is taken out right here. So 1550, if we close a daily candle above that, this will confirm as a double bottom, and we can move about on our merry way. The odds would go way up that higher highs are coming in the not so distant future if we pull that off. However, right, let's give credit where credit is due. So far, where the Gaussian channel here is red, we are also under this 200-day EMA. We are also rejecting at the 21, this yellow line. And look where we are right now. We're now at that yellow line yet again, where we last rejected. So all eyes there so far. So we have some work to do. For Chainlink, we need to get above this zone. This is our resistance zone in the short time frame. That's also the bottom of the Gaussian channel. So having said that, let's remove the Gaussian channel. We'll clean up the charts a little bit here. Zoom in, and now we can see what we're dealing with. Also, the top of this resistance zone is the upper Bollinger Band. The bottom Bollinger Band is near this low resistance zone, or support zone, where we've now tested multiple days and multiple bounces at that same level, around the $13 level. We want that to hold. If we close lower than 13, lower lows are on the horizon. However, right, we're doing our best to fight the good fight, and we could be looking at for the bullish side, right? If we break through this, we got this like W pattern playing out here potentially, right? This is what we would look for, and our next kind of resistance up here, right around the $17 mark. These swing lows here, right? You see our deviation controlling bars right there. If we break through that, then we can march on our merry way right back up to 20. So a couple big things brewing for Bitcoin, for Chainlink, for altcoins in general. We gotta have Bitcoin hold steady here, right? 63K. We were at 65 not that long ago. So Bitcoin needs to hold the line here. Around 63K is generally where Bitcoin can remain still in the bullish side and let altcoins kind of still have some fun. Chainlink included that, but look at the daily, right? We've rejected so far right off the 200, where we only closed one candle above last time, right? You can see that. So over the next couple of days going into this week, right, maybe we have our answer. Altcoins might need to go test a little low. Maybe we get a triple bottom, right? We don't have a double bottom yet, but maybe we come back down. And again, that doesn't confirm at the bottom. That confirms after a new high is set. So we'll see how that progresses. Let's go to the weekly. Chainlink just closed the weekly candle at 1437, right after retesting swing lows again and holding the line. Back here, our low close was $13. We didn't close down here, even though it looked a little bleak last week, right? Nice move back above the 50-week, that green line, right at our support zone. Still good. Little concerning that the 8-week EMA crossed below the 21. Usually that's a sign of prolonged consolidation. So to me, the odds would be more or less somewhere in here, from around 17, right? This medium Bollinger Band on the weekly to here for a handful of weeks, if not months. So patience, again, if you're in Chainlink, we know we have the definition of patience. We just look at the dictionary and it's got a, picture of Chainlink right there. Right, we're all there. So sideways consolidation is the odds, kind of like this, right? Chop, chop, chop. We want to watch for this in the coming weeks, because what we don't want to see is, something like this, right? Where we start to come up again, but then fail, right? That would be bad. What we would like to see is just come up and test the $17 area and then flip this medium Bollinger Band to support. That's where we can start to turn more bullish and then, focus on new highs. So, all right. That's our Chainlink kind of wrapped up in a nutshell. If you want access to our private Telegram alerts group, where we keep you on top of all this stuff and more every day of the week, a lot of extra content in there, you can subscribe through Patreon below. Otherwise, let's get to our card and quote in the day, and I'll see you on the next one. Quote of the day. It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare. It is because we do not dare that things are difficult. Fantastic quote. Card of the day. AMG Mercedes F1. Because why not? There you go. There's the real deal. They just drove yesterday in Miami. If you didn't catch that, there it is. Pretty fast, just like this video. Air just went for a ride in F1. All right, I'll see you on the next one.